Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Robinhood Crypto and enable recurring buys, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening the App Store if you are using an iPhone. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Robinhood and hit search. Locate the official Robinhood app in the search results. Tap on the app to view its details. If you do not have the app installed, tap on the Get or Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, find the Robinhood app on your home screen and open it. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you are new to Robinhood, tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and complete the registration. Verify your identity by following the instructions provided. After logging in, navigate to the crypto section of the app. Browse through the available cryptocurrencies and select the one you wish to invest in. On the cryptocurrencies detail page, tap on Buy. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to purchase. To enable recurring buys, look for the option labeled Recurring Investment. Select the frequency of your buys, such as daily, weekly. Confirm the amount and frequency you have chosen. Review your order details before finalizing your purchase. Once you're satisfied, tap Confirm to set up your recurring buys. You will receive notifications regarding your scheduled purchases. Your recurring buys will now be active, and you can track them in your account. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded Robinhood Crypto and set up recurring buys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.